Hi, welcome back to Umi Says. Today we're going to be increasing your milk supply by making fennel tea. So if you're here, you've been researching natural ways to increase your milk supply. Today we're going to be using fennel seeds, which is very safe and effective. Fennel has been used for centuries and is a well-known galactagogue. And for those who don't know, a galactagogue is a substance that helps increase your milk supply. So this is really safe to use during breastfeeding. However, many studies have shown that it should be avoided during pregnancy. Another reason to avoid this would be if you have any gynecological problems or cancer. And the reason for this is because fennel has a compound that mimics estrogen, which should be avoided in additional doses. I'll also list a few other reasons to avoid fennel. That being said, fennel has many benefits. It promotes healthy digestion, it eases an upset stomach, and because it's passed through your breast milk, your baby can also benefit from this. So if they have colic, you may find that it helps ease some of their symptoms. I'll also list a few of the other benefits. So what you're going to need to make your tea is 2 teaspoons of fennel seeds, a means of crushing it because crushed fennel seeds are far more potent. I'll be using my tea maker, or you'll also need a strainer, your teacup, and boiling water. So first we'll start by roughly crushing your fennel seeds. Okay, once that's done, we'll pour it into our tea maker. Add our boiling water, so 8 ounces or 1 cup. And we'll let that steep for about 10 minutes. Once those 10 minutes are up, we'll make our tea. And you can have this up to 3 times a day. Thank you so much for watching. Please comment below and don't forget to subscribe.